and the destruction of nature. Due to the concept of the world powers being directed towards acting in the war, ecology has been left behind, or even the devastation that occurs in the Amazon has been accelerated. The Amazon breaks deforestation records. What we are seeing is that there is no care for nature conservation, and that we are fighting a war that we will lose. We are devastating, destroying our biome, and this will generate a natural reaction against us. It's no use thinking that you can change the consequences later. They will come with high costs of lives and money. There will be suffering never before described, as it will be all over the terrestrial globe. Warming will generate land increase with great erosion and loss of nutrients. Drinking water sources will cease to exist, and climate catastrophes will accelerate. But the world seeks to look in one direction, while the rulers are unleashing the destruction and devastation of nature. Then the world population will try to find a culprit. But what will help to find a culprit, when the consequences will not be changed? Normally, the world does not seek prevention, it seeks condemnation after deeds have been done. The world should have looked for preventions against the problems, because there is no profit to determine the culprits when the problem becomes unsolvable. Soon, new climatic catastrophes will appear against the human race, and what will man really do? There is no way to attack an enemy that is yourself. The devastation continues, and the world is blinded to the large number of victims that climate catastrophes will generate. But there was no worldwide action to solve the problem before. Why expect they will do it now? Normally, the world's population only moves when the situation is unsustainable. Will we need to reach that point of no return?
If you are looking for more content from different areas, visit the reformadorstasaad.com website. News and detailed content can be found with system of research and organization of text and video.